Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post beauty related YouTube videos. If that's the kind of content you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we have a pumpkin spice tutorial. So I am actually going to use like different products in my collection that I haven't really reached for before, like a Colourpop palette that I have been meaning to use for the longest time. So yeah, I've got a few things that are kind of like pumpkin, autumnal related, so I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Well, it turns out my battery just died, but that's okay, just changed the battery. We are going to use the I Heart Revolution Tasty Lip Scrub and Lip Mask. I literally have forgotten about these, so I can't wait to use them. These were from last year, I believe, and I've barely made a dent in this because I've been using the Simpsons mask quite a bit, to be honest. So this is going to be a nice surprise. Need to get these out more often. That really gets me in the mood for autumn. Just going to whack on some eye base and then we can get into the palette. Okay, let's open this up. I just love a fresh Colourpop palette. I just love it. Let's start with Laguna. Just look at that packaging. I'm not reviewing any of this. I'm just going where the wind takes me. And if you hear a lot of background noise, my brother's actually doing up the kitchen, so you might hear like the hairdryer or banging or him cursing or music, but I think he's turned the music off, you know. Next, I want to take Gold Rush, and this shade, I don't know why they've called it Gold Rush because it's just red, but who knows. Just gonna go back in with Laguna and just blend out these harsh edges. I'm sorry, but I know summer is my favourite month, but autumn, once we're in it, I am so happy when we're in it. I have been so cold lately, like so cold. And I'm filming this at the back end of September, so God knows what the temperature is going to be like when we get into October. Not looking forward to it, not at all. Let's go in with Mission. These colours have got so much kickback in them. This is actually the first video that I'm filming with this backdrop, but it's not going to be the first video that you guys see. I can't seem to choose between Diego and El Captain. Like, this is definitely a glitter and I love their glitters. I do really like this Diego shade, so maybe we'll put Diego down and then put a little bit of glitter over the top. Wish there was an orange shimmer in this, but gold will do. Just look how well that gold works. So guys, tell me your favourite things about autumn, or tell me what your favourite season is and why, because not everyone loves autumn winter time, because I definitely don't. I do love the makeup though, don't get me wrong, absolutely love it, but summer has a hold of me. Alright, let's put the glitter on. I'm only going to put a little, just to brighten it up. I love that you don't need glitter glue with these glitters in Colourpop palettes. My god, I have got a countdown on my phone until the Christmas holidays. It's not even Christmas that I'm looking forward to, it's just a holiday. Knowing that work's closed as well. Like, when work's open, it's such a... oh, like, when I'm on annual leave, I can't relax. Like, it's really hard to relax when work's open. Alright. That looks good. I'm loving that. Oh. Alright, what's next? Let's do a bit of primer. You know what? I'm just going to clean up my eyes quickly. I decided to put some wing eyeliner on. It's not a tutorial if I don't use wings eyeliner. I haven't used that in a very long time. I've put some primer on. I've used the IRL Skin Finish Primer. I haven't used that. Well, I mean, I love using that. Now I'm just going to put the Rev Conceal and Glow on. Love this foundation. Fun fact, I used the Conceal and Define the other day, and it is just so thick that I was like, wow, I am so over that foundation now. And thanks to Loose that I've got into this foundation, and I just love using a brush as well. Foundation is on. Let's use this Be Perfect blush in the shade Cherub. Let's see if it goes. I don't know if I want like it to be peachy undertone. I don't know if I want like a rosier undertone. Let's just see. And literally with this stuff you need the tiniest amount. Oh, okay. Not as orange as I thought it'd be, which is good. You know what? I know it's September that I'm filming this, but I really need a pumpkin candle. That's one thing I don't have right now. So that's one thing I'm going to go shopping for on October's payday. Time to put a bit of powder on, and I can't use none other than the Revolution Reloaded powder. I love this stuff. Like, I cannot get enough of it. Bronzer time, I'm going to use the Reloaded powder in Chestnut. Again, cannot get enough of this stuff. I think my October favourites is going to be Very Clear from this video. I'm just so happy I'm getting back into YouTube again. Like, at this point in September, I have, I don't know, like 9-10 videos to film, and I've filmed the whole of September and October already. I'm like so proud of myself. I've been keeping this schedule, and it's been keeping me on top of things, so yeah, I'm proper proud of myself right now, getting back into it again. Like, even right now this weekend I have been so ill. I filmed my XX matte video and liquid swatches, and you could see how ill how ill I sounded, but I'm getting over it, so thought it's time to film a video. Then I'm gonna put this blush over the top. This is Beauty Bay Peachy blush. Think this would go well, hopefully. I think it will like tone down the yellow a bit. Oh my god, wait until you guys see the highlighter that I'm using. It's like a proper oldie but goodie. I am going to be using the Gatsby pigment. I haven't used this since like last autumn. So nice. Literally just need a dot of it because it's just glitter. And I love that it just melts into the skin. Just look at that glow. I've got glitter flying everywhere. Next step, we're going to use the IRL All Day Fill Us Mattifying Spray. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Lips. No, let's put some liner on. This is the Tiffany Sunset liner from, I think, Makeup Obsession. It was like her collab, which my favourite things from the collab are these liners. So nice, that liner, really nice. Just going to put a bit of brow fixer from Beauty Bay in my eyebrows, and then at the end I will fill them in. Lips. I have a Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade Scorpio. I'm going to put that on. Then I'm going to put Globetrotter from Maybelline on. This is like classic Halloween autumnal shade. And maybe, depending on how I feel, I might put this Dr. Seuss Oh the Places You'll Go lip gloss over the top. Maybe. Oh, no, I wanted it more brown. It's okay. I think I'm going to have to find Brownie. I'm going to do Brownie instead. Oh, come out. I love this shade. So nice. Okay, let's put Globetrotter over the top. I'm sorry, but if that's not the most autumnal colour that is out there, then I don't know what is. Just look at that shade. You know what? I'm going to put a bit of gloss over the top of that, just a little bit. Much nicer. Okay, we're actually nearly done. I'm going to do eyebrows and mascara, and then inner corner highlight, I'm bringing out my Colourpop wisp highlight, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner and brow bone, and then yeah, we're finished. Oh my god guys, what do we think? I feel like this is the perfect wearable pumpkin spice tutorial I've done. I love it, I really do. This is the finished look guys, what do you think? I think I'm gonna have to wear this look like every day. I do feel like that. I have dulled down the lip a bit, I feel like, just from adding that gloss in, but oh, ain't it nice? I love pumpkin spice lattes, so yeah. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash it huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!